U.S. President Joe Biden will discuss regional missile and defense capabilities on Saturday when he meets Arab leaders in Saudi Arabia, where he will be seeking to integrate Israel as part of a new axis largely driven by shared concerns over Iran, said a senior administration official. Biden, on his first Middle East trip as president, has focused on the planned summit with 6 Gulf states and Egypt, Jordan and Iraq while downplaying meeting with Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. That encounter has drawn criticism in the United States over human rights abuses. Biden needs the help of OPEC giant Saudi Arabia at a time of high crude prices and other problems related to the Russia-Ukraine conflict, and as he encourages efforts to end the Yemen war, where a temporary truce is in place. Washington also wants to curb Iran's sway in the region and China's global influence. The U.S. president, who started his trip to the region with a visit to Israel, will hold bilateral talks with leaders of Egypt, the United Arab Emirates and Iraq before taking part in the wider summit, where he will lay out clearly his vision and strategy for America's engagement in the Middle East. U.S. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan said,